Here we go. And again, back to fix up my stuff up. We've chopped the pieces off. Now I've got to plunge the drill in. I found out through 4 days of playing with a chainsaw. Okay, where's that side of thing? Grab me that Makita chainsaw, will you? If you ever want a chainsaw and you want something to do any work with, do not buy one of these. Okay? If you only wanted to do twigs at home, yes, okay. I thought Makita are usually a pretty good brand, and I wanted a plunge saw. My Stihl chainsaw goes through this stuff in seconds, and unfortunately it's far too big for this. I tried it yesterday. Very dangerous. This one should have done it, but the motor heats up too fast and uses the battery like crazy. She's just not really made to do anything with a chainsaw. Okay, so yeah, I wouldn't recommend that Makita. A Makita drill like this one, yeah, I have no trouble with. This one here is a very good drill. We bought one of these out yesterday, but I had it for 1.5 years already, so I don't mind too much. But yeah, that thing I'm not keen on, but I have to use it because I bought it. It cost me $450, and yeah, now I've got it. I've got to use it. And we found out the easiest way to do it, to take the load off the machine so it actually does the work, is for me to, instead of just plunging the blade, is to plunge the drill in first. So I'll pass you over to Frankie. He'll show you what we're doing. There you go, Frank. All right, we've got the piece where it was, so I know where it was, so I don't have to mark it or anything. It's already in there. I can find the holes that I did before, like that one, and just plunge. Unfortunately, one of the hassles we have with this is that this is a laminated beam, so there's lots of different texture in there. It's not just one piece of timber, which would make it easier on the machinery. So what we're doing is plunging in, and the drill works a lot easier because that's what it's made for, drilling holes. And it carves that timber out nicely and leaves plenty of air gap in there, so then that chainsaw tends to work. So we'll use the chainsaw in a second. I'll just do this and I'll show you what it is before I move on to the others. In this case I'm throwing 5 holes in. Just always got to clean them out before you go back in again. Whee! In we go. You can hear the different textures. The drill's going through the glue. There we are. That one, I'll grab this chainsaw. Okay, it's very underpowered. Even that she has a lot of trouble with. It just hasn't got the power that I was hoping it would have when I bought it. I suppose I'm expecting a bit too much. Asking for a Chinese-made Makita to actually do any work. If it was Japanese-made, it'd be better. But the old Japanese Makitas, they were fantastic. But hopefully, again, now that all this fuss has gone on and we are backing off of China, that we'll get Japanese-made products again. The high-quality, high-end products that we used to get, but of course they're going to cost more. Just like all our shirts and everything now, we no longer buy them from China. As we re-industrialise the nation, whether it's America, Australia, Japan, Germany, they all have to get their factories back up and running. So it's going to take a bit. Excuse the face, I had a stroke 4 weeks ago. Still working, don't worry about it. And yeah, so hopefully this all comes out well, and don't blame China for the CCP virus, because there was the Gates Foundation that has been doing the research for the last 15 years, paid for with American taxpayer funds. So yeah, China is a place where we went to with everything, all our chemicals, all our industry, everything went to China because they were cheaper than everywhere else in the world. They took over our industrial area, and now of course, yeah, we're blaming them for everything where it's not their fault. Okay. And of course they're getting a flood now to boot. But yeah, so hopefully soon we'll get back to some decent machinery, clothing, the whole bit. It'll be great. So as we live through all this, and I fix this stuff up that I made yesterday and the day before. Okay, thanks guys. I'll keep on going on this. I'll do another video later. Talk to you soon. Bye.